Hello ladies! Day 29 of 100 solo dates. And today, we're gonna try Pilates. Ooh!
It's my Pilates fit.
So we have here your springs and your foot bar and wood board.
Dalawa lang kami sa session, so medyo awkward. Lalo pat first timer ako.
Pagka hindi ibig sabihin kapag mas mabigat, mas mahirap. Hindi ibig sabihin na mas magaan, mas madali. It depends.
To be honest, akala ko madali lang yung Pilates, parang yin yoga lang, ganon. But no! I was wrong!
Bend your knees together. Together sila. Bend and push. Push. Bring it in and
Partida pa, sabi ng teacher namin, mas madali daw to kaysa sa mat Pilates.
exhale squeeze near door. Bend your knee up. You're gonna feel the stretch on your thigh, on your
Nasira yung pangarap kong maging Pilates It Girl Princess na tumitira ng matcha. Lol. Nakuha ko to via ClassPass for 11 points. Usually, 2 to 4 points lang ang mga classes, so I know na mahal to pag regular. Susulitin na natin. Kahit medyo mahirap siya, at least napatunayan kong flexible pa rin ako, kahit majubis na ako. Lol.
nice. Do you feel the stretch in
Minsan talaga pinag-iisipan dapat yung mga desisyon natin sa buhay no?
exhale, push. Push your back leg muna. Push your back leg. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, hug yourself.
Follow for day 30. Bye!